actually.
Oh, I'm 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Oh wait, I just realized something. I do need to quickly change something.
How do I sell items?
You can go to the shopkeeper. Then you can talk. Yeah, you can talk to the shopkeeper. I want to trade. Then you can right click. Then you can go to the category of stuff that you want to trade in, and then you can right click and click sell. Hi, Jammer.
I
Okay, so 2D scene. Yeah, I have absolutely zero idea what I'm doing, so this will be fun.
Yo, a drill?
Yo, I'm not paying attention.
A drill?
Okay, wait. Where are you?
Oh my god, a drill.
Yeah,
Oh, you're right there.
uh,
Okay, wait. Can I try something?
uh,
Can I drop you
Possibly.
this? Okay, so if I drop the hammer, can you see it?
yes.
Okay, wait. Don't grab it. I need to get something from my from Spike.
What happens if I throw a rock straight up? Oh, I can't. I just wasted a good rock.
I can't believe you wasted a rock like that. You are beyond saving, bro.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna give you something.
I swear,
Here.
if you pull out like, oh, okay. I thought you were gonna like pull out an antimatter beam or something and be like, hey, here's this.
That was
Bells are really nice weapons if you're a mage. If you're going for the mage type. Try it real quick.
Going. What the crap is this? What is this?
yeah. I should probably just
The bell.
quit.
Oh, let me just-
Don't say it. Just don't.
Wait,
I didn't.
I
think-
can use it to accelerate myself back. Wait. Wait.
Yeah. No. Ben. Yeah, okay.
Let's see here.
Remove. Remove. Remove.
Can I like knock? Why can I move myself in the air with this?
That is a very good question.
Okay, so I have 4 different quests right now, but there's the slime diva thing. So
Yeah.
where's the slime
wanna-
diva?
I can go show you.
Shouldn't the F full terrace? Oh, there's a limit to the range on this.
Sure, I'll just download this template.
Okay, let me quickly change my back to here. You can have this open though. Okay, wait. Follow me. Let's go back to we can use our recall portal to go back to the Effold Terrace. Then
Just kill a bunch of slimes to get the slime diva to
no,
spawn?
no. Okay, no. It's a very specific area. In fact, I can show you said area. Okay, see this over here? This is where we have to go.
Oh, this template sucks. Yeah, at least let me check the code.
Do you kind of see how the bell works?
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty fun weapon. Especially since it can deal more than one hit.
Rock. Oh, I ran out of rocks.
You ran out of rocks, bro? Embarrassing.
Boing, boing.
Bro, just grab one off the ground.
There aren't any.
Well, that sounds like a you problem, huh?
Wait, can I just fling the Slimex away from me? I can. I just
Okay.
have the ability of. Oh crap!
That's the slime diva. Recovery.
Yeah, no, I'm just switching over to the Sims because
No.
This is where I'm gonna switch to my bow temporarily.
Why can't she just fire out slimes like that?
I don't know.
Oh. They just slapped me.
Okay, I'll be here for you to come back.
I just got slapped into another dimension. I
Bro
literally
is
just got
dead?
watch your tone. No, greater wisps. Leave me alone. Leave me al- Oh, I can just take care of them. Oh, that's a nice rock. Wouldn't it be a shame if I, like...
ooh, I don't care about this quest.
I'm kind of distracting her.
Doing, doing. I like the noise of this because it's funny.
Yeah, I literally have.
Ow!
Let's see. Yeah, none of these games are good.
You're doing some good damage.
Oh yeah, VR chat needs to be updated.
I'll
Yeah,
let
they're
you
looking
do
at-
that.
Wait, couldn't you just, like, jump on the platforms? And just...
Sure, why not? You just
Oh, you can... Oh.
which playthrough was this one? It's been a
The
while
crap
since
is
I've played
green
this
lipstick.
It's just-
You can now receive a class tome from Angela. Okay, I'm level 10 now. But I'm gonna keep
You're
killing.
also getting hit by a Slimek.
Right?
Okay, so I need to kill...
Okay,
Wisp.
let's. No, okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna recall. I need to go get a class tome before I. Oh my gosh. I need to go get a
I
class
just
tome.
love not being able to have a clue about what I'm doing.
3 unspent stat points.
Okay, where do I get the lesser wisps?
The lesser wisps spawn during the daytime. They're daytime. They're daytime. No, that's right. They're not. They just They aren't in the terrace. They're in the They're just not. They don't spawn in the terrace. They spawn in the outer sanctum.
Sure,
But I need to go get my class tome.
Cool.
No.
Oh, I hate how this setup is.
Imagine just being a ghost for 300 years and then someone hits you with a rock and you die.
That'd be funny.
Yeah, the slowdown
Okay.
makes these effectively
I'm
stack.
gonna go to Enoch instead, because Enoch is, I think, the warrior guy. I'm very clearly the heavy hitter class. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Like, I just upped my strength, I'm upping my strength even more. There we go.
Why was The Sims just forcing me to make a sim like this? Like,
State
already
your business
had-
quickly.
you know,
What is the outer sanctum gate? Okay. Okay, where's
Strength
the
and honor.
do
The tome of
lesser,
the fighter.
do
the
a
time-
lesser slime spawn during the day? During the night, I mean.
No. Wisps spawn during the night.
And Slimex, but yeah.
Yeah.
No
The time has
lesser.
come to make the ultimate decision. Lost one, I see that the strength and skill you have gathered has been more than sufficient to bring forth your true colors of becoming a fighter. Becoming a fighter will make you a living threat against the evil monstrosities that coat this world. Take this tome. Once read, you will join me in our effort to divide the darkness. If you happen to lose your tome undecided, return to me. I can provide as many as you need. Keep in mind, reading this tome is irreversible.
Why is my documents one just like the basic one that's sort of like, yeah, sure, why not? Just put it in there.
No going back now. Tome of the Fighter Red. Fighter unlocked. Turn a character into the fighter class.
Stolen yeah, sure. Just gotta.
Yeah, I
Quests.
see why you wanted me to have a bell. It's kind of overpowered, especially since it slows down so you can have multiple in one area doing constant damage. One bar acceptor, okay.
Voice of Sonata.
Hey, Genie.
Yeah?
Is it okay if I work on Marshmallow Land on stream, or is that strictly just?
No,
Yeah,
you're not
okay.
allowed.
Yeah, I just wanted to make
That's
sure.
that's a disallowed thing.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
What is a disallowed thing?
I'm one of the
Working on Marshmallow Land on stream is not allowed
Okay.
due to the fact that the project is quote unquote secret, or at
Yeah.
least the contents are for the most part. The story and the code, no one's supposed to quote unquote see behind the scenes.
Okay, that's fair.
I've considered working on it on stream, but I've just decided against it. So
That's fair. I
no.
just wanted to make sure that it
I'm
was
gonna
all
go hunt
good.
some slime X real quick.
Yo, I've only been streaming for 10 minutes. Yo. You know, I'm just gonna be playing this.
Oh, I can just...
Why not? I have nothing better to do. Just play The Sims.
rock.
Yo, we're gonna do a hack real quick. Just gotta how to get rich in The Sims in one simple move. Buy an empty pot of
Cheating.
what?
Cheating.
Manage worlds. Just go manage world. Wait, no, I should probably save manage worlds. It's fine.
The little slimes are here. Going.
And manage households. Just gotta find the people with the most money, and I think that was this family. Transfer Sims between households. And then just gotta
Hi there. I don't know when you guys sent your messages, but I've been kind of Oh wait, there's 3 people watching. Hi there. Sorry, I've not had chat open this whole time.
I'm pretty sure I'm the only.
Hi, 3 people watching. I really need to integrate my chat into the greater, so...
Yeah.
I wish I could
Yeah.
just have my chat box combined, but I don't
Yeah.
get what we want. Oh, by the way, okay, guys, this is a public lobby, Mr. Sparkle Souza, if you own the game.
Okay, just refreshing it up. So, and apparently you only have one. Oh. It says you only have one person. Wait,
Yo!
I'm pretty sure you just muted for a while.
I love throwing rocks at slimes. I love throwing I'm rocks out of at rocks.
I
I'm out of
have
rocks.
no idea what rage does, but
No. There we go. I just made a bunch of money. I had to just do I just had to cheat the system.
all power stats increased by 8 or something. That's what that does.
Wow,
This is
learning
great.
about tradition.
I feel so powerful.
That's cool. I don't care. Admire. Wow. Wait, do I still have items from the previous event, or is it just gone forever?
Annoying.
Boing.
Rock.
No, it'd be frick. It'd be this. Oh yeah, I still have it. That's
So
nice.
much fun. Oh my gosh.
I wish I
Yeah,
could
you
Having
should
a
join
lot
become-
of
you
fun
should become
throwing
the-
rocks at slimes.
You should become the mystic.
I wish I could join you, but like, broke as fuck, you know.
So yeah, okay. Earlier we were playing mouth washing, and now we're playing now we're playing Atlas, cause of course that makes sense.
It does when you think about it, you know. So I can watch a gaming live stream because why not? Well, in the sense right
I
now.
got an unbelievable amount of stuff to sell. My inventory is chock full. I want to trade.
And now I can just become. Let's see, I keep forgetting how these things.
Hi, Slime Diva.
What's a? I'm just gonna pick this one because it's the most expensive, and why not? You know. You know, it's kind of sucks when it's just like, when it's just no one is talking for like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, part of it is that I'm focusing on fighting
Yeah, you know,
this Slime Diva.
that's fair.
Wait, is the Slime Diva a repeatable thing you can fight?
Yeah. I've already fought the Slime Diva once, and I fought her again with you. In fact, I just beat her up again. Fun. Yo. I'll go back to the Sanctum. I'll recall back.
That's
Especially since I completed my quest. But also, yeah, my path is now set in stone. I am a... Oh, 2 people on Twitch, 3 people on YouTube. Hi.
cool. Yeah. I'm one of them.
I am
I'm one of the people on, actually,
on Twitch.
yeah, I'm one of the people on Twitch. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna also... Just gotta get your viewer count up. Words are hard. Just ignore...
Hey, Genie. How do I get into the place where the slime X are again?
Did you set your recall there, or is your recall now in the Outer Sanctum?
My recall is now in the Outer Sanctum.
Okay, so remember it's out of the crypt and to the you'll see the
recall is now
portal
in the outer-
like on the left.
I'm just
Got any
gonna
quests?
recall. Okay. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Okay. Going.
Wait, no. No, I didn't mean for that. Okay, it's fine.
I can apparently master bells. That's fun, but also like I've got other things to do.
There's a lot
Slimek axe hammer. Let me go clean out my inventory real quick. Spike. Hi Nix. Okay, now you're in my YouTube chat.
Yeah.
I've got so many worn robes. I don't need this many worn robes.
Can't you just
Yes, you
sell
do.
them? Yes, you must make some. You must become a fashion. Words are hard.
I'm gonna save
Fashion
this
designer?
and
Yes,
this.
fashion designer. Sure, we'll say that. I was thinking of something else, but sure, we'll go with that.
I could have become the bandit, but meh.
Bandito.
Slime Diva Baton, Magic Scepter, Magic Scepter weapon. Yeah, if you're gonna if you're a mystic, then it means that you use bells and you use bells and scepters. That's all you use, or at least that's what you're good with.
That's cool.
Okay, now I think I'm a little more ready to. If I just sort this real quick, I'm I'm actually gonna go to the enchanter, which is Vivian. Because Vivian will enchant my items, which is useful because I have a Slimek axe hammer that isn't enchanted.
Ooh,
Is it the outer sanctum gate or the inner sanctum that has
We're given
the
the mana font Slimek axe hammer. Max mana +4.
Just gotta love when your Sims just chat in the middle of the road.
Reroll enchantment.
Run them over.
Defense, magic defense, reroll. I'm just re-rolling enchantments
Wait,
right
did I
now.
kill you in my last playthrough? Yeah, you're a ghost in my other playthrough.
Already in.
Let's see, where is the... Ah, this...
Lively. Max
Oh.
health +3.
She should have been hit by a car and died. It's fun.
Okay, see ya.
Sure, friendly introduction with this random person who I don't know. Don't you love how they just stand here and just do nothing for the entire thing? Like, they just stand there waiting for me. Just gotta speed this up because I don't...
Enchanting is a delicate process, and it's nearly impossible to choose which one you want. Because of that, you'll get a random enchantment each time. I hope you understand all that. I'd rather not give you the rundown again. Thanks, see ya.
Yes, finish cooking this meal.
Okay, so where do I find Climax again?
Why not?
Okay, so go out of the... Okay, follow me.
Stargaze.
So you go out of the crypt. Okay, let's just go over here. Let's just go the direct route, because mine is already in the terrace, so...
Yeah, I didn't...
Okay, that's fine. I'll just,
You wanna see my new moves? I have yet to actually show you my new moves.
give me a minute.
Okay, once
So it's
we're
in
both in
here
this
with the
area.
outer sanctum field,
Yeah, Outer Sanctum Field.
rock.
You wanna see one of my new moves real quick?
What is it?
Watch.
Yo, I'm still the only... There's only one person viewing and it's myself.
He just got freaking evaporated.
Yo,
Yeah,
that's so
If
cool.
you can't tell, I'm now actually kind of a menace.
Let's see, I have to cook.
Okay, let's see here. So we go here. We go into the crypt.
Okay,
We take a
now
left.
no. Come back out of the crypt. It's outside the crypt, but we need to just be... I was using the crypt as a landmark. See? Okay, then you go over here. This is where the terrace is.
Oh yeah.
I was actually beating up
Ooh, Greater Wisp. Let me just yuck a rock at him. No, I was joking. I was joking.
I just evaporated him.
Oh,
Maybe I should have enabled
Ow.
chat for the random people who are joining. Would that have been good?
probably. Let me go take out another Greater Wisp.
Do you want to save and quit and we can enable chat for the people who want it? Okay, we'll do that. I'll do that for my next stream. I'll make sure chat is enabled. Just I'll ban them if they start being annoying.
Yep.
Going.
But yeah, I'm stupidly this. I can also do that, which is stomping.
Yeah.
Damage? Can I just do with bells?
Just gotta love how...
I missed 4 shots. Holy crap. I could just sit there and do damage.
Just gotta love
effectively.
how... Just gotta love
Your
how...
level, what level are you? You're level 9. Okay, so you're super close to choosing what your permanent class.
Permanent?
You pick... What?
It's permanent?
Yeah, it's
Rock.
permanent. Once you choose your class, you can't change it.
That is...
Unless
Since-
I have
but
a different
since-
character.
Yeah, you can. So, that's actually the advantage of being able to make multiple characters, though, is then you can try out the different classes. Like right now, again, I'm fighter class. I love the fighter class because I get to do things like that. You know, I get to shred through enemies. That's the point.
I love bonking
Is that I
people.
shred.
Where are the Slimex?
They respawn, so we'll see. The nice thing about streaming on YouTube is that after my stream is over, it'll just auto-upload as a video.
Oh, that's cool.
Because that's how streaming on YouTube works.
Yeah, do you just connect your OBS account, or do you just connect your YouTube account to OBS for that to work, or is it just something else?
I'm using a special OBS plugin that lets me stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time.
Okay, I was just making sure, because I was like...
It's not a built-in
Stop
function, not by any
slapping me.
means.
Yeah, I just kind of love that.
Ow, why are you slapping me so much?
Hey, wait, press V.
Nah,
I'm wondering if we can even hit each other because we're in a party.
Make sure friendly fire... Are you testing friendly fire?
Yes, I'm testing to see if friendly fire is indeed a thing.
Yo.
bro, I can't even see currently. What? Let me just... Donk. Actually, no, I don't think...
Please. Oh, can we? Yeah, okay, no
no,
friendly.
you can't. You just went straight through it, so no. Okay, I got the 20 Slam X. Yeah. I think I have 2 quests done, so let me just... Oh. Killer Gilded Sword, okay.
I might as well keep killing people because I just used my rage effect, which has a cooldown.
Oh no, I just realized that my model is just not responding. That's fun. Did my camera come unplugged? Yeah, my model's just not working, so...
Did you recall back?
What?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Okay.
Okay. Are you level 10 now?
I will be soon enough.
Well, my model's just doing absolute shit, so...
Never mind, I need some more quests.
This game is fun.
Where are mech... What is a mech boar?
Oh, what?
They're in another place. In fact, I should take that quest. I'm gonna take that quest.
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Hunting hogs. See ya.
Yeah, my camera's just not responding.
Rock.
Tell me when you reach level 10, because after you reach level 10, you need to go talk to Angela, because Angela is who you need to talk to for you to get to choose the path of the mystic.
Well, I'm just gonna have to troubleshoot my model on stream because I do not have a scene set up for that. Let's see, tracking effects.
I've been streaming for 5 hours. Let's make it 6 and then I'll stop.
Yo, it's pretty sick. Yeah,
I don't. Well, my brother said that sounds unhealthy, and I'm like, I'm having fun though.
Yeah.
It's like saying murder is fun. Yeah, it's unhealthy for you, but you're having fun.
That is two
Not
completely
the
different
kind of
things.
comparison I'm trying to draw. Though
Yeah.
killing these things is certainly very fun.
So murder is fun.
And my...
Only in videos, though.
Just gotta love how I have to now scroll through all my files just to find my thing. Let's see.
Imagine coming into existence and you immediately get hit in the face with a rock. Like,
What do you mean the file isn't found? Fine, I'll just do the other one. This one.
I hate these things so much. No, I died
Oh yeah, so
to the mechivores. They killed me.
okay, I'm using the model with the weird eyes, but sure, why not? It's what I have. I can only do. My other model apparently doesn't exist anymore.
Maybe you want to fight Slime Demon Diva again.
Oh
Who
yeah,
knows what you're feeling like?
yeah. This motion tracking is just.
I love beating up dummies.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's on mirrored brick. I shoot that. Wrong one.
I feel like by obsessive training, the strongest battlegrounds has made me an absolute beast in this game, unintentionally.
I mean, like, I think I'm pretty good too, but like,
Did you see how much I was weaving?
a lot. Also, somebody apparently clipped my stream, and I'm wondering who and what they clipped.
Oh yeah, there's a clip of that I posted where it was like just out of context. I don't know if it was with this account or a different one.
I don't know how to view clips of a stream, though.
I'm pretty sure you can just. I don't know. It's weird. Let's see.
Who follows this stream? Nice.
Yeah, it's just gotta love how my model's just being absolute fricked, and it's just like, nope, just screw you. I don't exist anymore. I have to. So I have to use my backup one, and it's just like, nope, just not working. So that's fine. I'm just gonna. What do you mean new audio device detected? Sure, switch device. Why not? Should be the same one.
Maybe sometime I should play, Cult of the Lamb with this on, because I have the Companion of the Lamb extension enabled.
Nice.
Remember when they promised to add the 18 plus funny
Yeah, they
haha update, and then they actually did once they reached it?
Yeah,
Yeah, now
it was great.
no model. Just no model for the rest of the stream.
Edit panels.
My model isn't working. It's just screw you. It just doesn't
I'm
exist no more. So
Okay, how do I do Rattlecade Rage? What is clear the... Wait, what? Speak
I don't know how to do that
in
one.
the catacombs. Is there any way to, like, unaccept a quest?
I think, I don't know exactly.
I'm just gonna finish up this book real quick.
What I'm trying to figure out right now is where the heck do I view with the clips of my stream?
That's the funny thing. You don't.
Yeah, let me just quickly check. Yo, I'm on stream. While watching stream.
Let's just keep.
Or, sorry.
Verdane is no longer. Yeah, I'm Verdane, by the way. That's me in game.
Okay, let me.
Who is Rahatane?
What?
Look in the chat.
Oh. There again. Remember, random people can join this lobby.
Pretty sure
Yeah,
I might have posted the clip in general a while
No,
ago.
I've specifically said that this lobby is yeah.
Let's see, just got.
Yeah. I totally forgot that this is a part of the Outer Sanctum, just because, like, it's not a normal part of the Outer Sanctum.
Rock.
I forget that this is a part of the Sanctum, because it's not a normal part of the Sanctum. I don't know what its purpose
Unlimited
is.
rocks.
Just always forget how unhinged the rest of the thing is until you have to scroll through it on stream. Just like.
Yeah, until you have to scroll through the server list.
Oh, that's the Slime Diva.
Did you accidentally summon the Slime Diva?
Yes.
You want me to come help you?
Nah, I'm good. If I die, I die. I'm just throwing rocks at her, though.
Yeet! 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 Oh yeah, you weren't kidding.
What?
Hi, Slime Diva. Oh. If you die, I'm gonna kill her.
I ran out of rocks.
Bro, quit running out of rocks, bro. They're everywhere. Wait.
Hey, I got her close. I got her about 90%.
As I said, I'm gonna finish the work you didn't finish.
What?
I killed her with a stomp. Green lipstick! Yo!
Yo, you gotta apply that immediately, bro.
You want lipstick?
Apply it immediately. Do it.
Okay, I'll go. I bought an illusion rock, I think. No, did I? I don't
Why?
think I actually did buy an illusion rock. Illusion rocks let you change your appearance.
Comply. Rock. Wow, that was like a pathetic miss. Yeah, well, I want to kill a bunch of Slimex at once.
But the
And they
lipstick.
don't reject fast enough, so I have to kind of summon the slime. Hey, can you stop slapping me, please?
I can't put it on.
Aww.
You guys want to see me with lipstick?
It would be funny.
Stam star spectral powder.
Yes.
I mean, I could go buy a an illusion stone and change my appearance real quick. You guys want to see me do that? Oh, who's the other person not watching my stream? Hello, other people not watching my stream.
I'm pretty
I'm
sure
not
I've
talking about
just,
on Twitch.
I'm pretty
Let
sure
me
I've
just,
just been on the entire time.
Recall. Because I wanted to recall from the terrace just to make sure I can get back to the terrace.
It's always nice having a sim that can program because, like, if you can just do something else and then they'll just be sitting there for like a few minutes and then you just come back and they're just perfectly
Yeah.
fine.
I'm gonna. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, get the illusion stone. That's what I was gonna do. Give me an illusion stone.
Give me your ears.
Bye.
I need your ear. Why aren't you giving me your ears?
So now if I go to the okay. Now if I go to the mirror back here. Peer into mirror. Oh my gosh. I can look. Wait.
Wait, is
Okay.
that? Oh, for a
Are you
second I
looking
thought-
do you, what, are you looking at my stream right now?
No, I'm playing The Sims right now and it's just like for a second I
Look
was
at my stream super quick.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Tell me when you're looking.
I'm on.
Okay, look. I can just
Oh, that's nice.
yeah, you can just change. Oh, nice. This is great. This is a great. No, I'm gonna stay the way I am. Thank you.
That's a good reason to buy the game now.
That's a good reason to buy. Yeah, he's like, this is a good reason to buy the game.
Yep. Just gotta do something real quick, you know? Asshole.
If you buy this game, then you can play it with me. I can just have no horns. I actually like the one broken horn.
Rock.
Nick said, Genie, please stop with the misgendering. I know I don't mind IRL, because I'm not
Sorry.
out, but on stream please use she, her
Okay,
pronouns
sorry.
for me.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Alright,
It's all good. 3.
Gamering. Oh,
Who is Travis Scott? Like,
I
what?
don't know who Travis Scott is.
No, I'm playing The Sims. And it's like, uh, so apparently Travis Scott is a NPC in this game, but like not. Isn't Travis Scott a rapper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a completely different person
Yeah.
then.
oh, you're back.
Yeah, no, I don't know that.
Yeah, I changed my. If you go behind over. Okay, are you level 10? Are you gonna go ahead
Yes.
and get the
Mastery
mystic?
of bells, mastery of scepters. Which one should I do?
No,
Bells?
okay, well, yeah, do Mastery of Bells, but also there's another one that's like, if at the top it's like Tome of Mystic or whatever.
Oh, Disciple of Magic?
Yeah, Disciple of Magic. You want to take
Accept
the
that.
Tome of. Yeah, accept that, and then if you open your inventory, go to Consumables, I think it was, or it was one of the categories. There's
There's a small child
there's
over
where
here.
it says
Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
Tome of the Mystic?
yeah, then you can right click and then click Use, and then you'll become a Mystic. See, so now you're a Mystic.
Okay, and then I go to, got any quests, and then I do Mastery of the Bells. Accept quest.
Warrior leggings.
Tattered bathrobe? What?
Hmm?
I got a cryo cane. Why did I not get a bell?
You got a cane? Yo, you can become house?
Short range. Anyways, skills. Wait, why do I need to re-rank up?
You need to re-rank up your general skills because now you have specific class-based class skills. You see that?
Wait, what? Yeah. Why do... Wait, what? Yeah, I got the skill for Bell Mastery, but, now I can't, like, put, skill points into Bell Mastery.
Huh.
Oh,
I wish I knew what you guys were talking about.
let's see here. Let's see what does each of this do? Well, it's an impact, prism, mana flow.
Also, that's quite the name, I have to say. Why'd you name yourself that?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, this is it.
Mastery of Hammers.
Mastery of Hammers. And then that one scene from One Piece where it's just Usopp yelling Usopp hammer. If you know, you know.
Focus well, and you will be able to charge attack and jump attack against your enemies with devastating force. Mastery of Blades, Mastery of Hammers.
You know what one of my favorite parts of The Sims 2 is? Is that you can probably just you can just change your Sims aspiration to just grilled cheese.
Yeah,
So funny.
just grilled cheese, nothing
Yeah.
else.
Yeah, you
Sorry.
know, just the most basic food in the entire game.
The thing you need.
Yep. There's nothing better than just grilled cheese.
Wait, can you go to the sanctum real quick?
Hey, what do you need?
I should probably check.
Okay, so you know where the barracks were marked?
Yeah.
Go. There's a teleport out front. I want you to go into the teleport. I want to see what happens.
Hold up. This is a fighting arena.
Can we still not hit each other, or
No, we can't.
Uh,
No,
Wait.
no.
you can't. Friendly fire doesn't exist. Oh, it's not. That's not fun.
There we go. Oh,
That's the slablet.
not a mana point. Donk. I feel like I just have the area of effect advantage.
I'm trying to see if I can like focus on you or something. No, I can't. Guess good old fashioned.
Bonking.
Yes, just no, I shouldn't say that.
Ow!
Ow.
Oh, that's where that is.
E.
Okay, now we should
Go.
rejoin. Oh.
You do so much freaking. Bonk. Bonk. I should not have.
What?
Let's see, where's a good
I should not have put points into Blink.
End up blank. Yeah, you should.
It allows me to just teleport with a dash.
Putting points into nothing. That's not something good to do. You know. So,
Ow! Okay.
Yeah, so
This is
the
fun.
reason why I was running out of mana was because I had like a Blink dash or something like that.
oh,
Yeah, I can extend my dash. Ow. I can just freaking move. I can just move.
Bro, you sound like you're crying a little. Just a little. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's weird whenever the feed just cuts out for whatever reason. It's just nothing happens. And you're just left there alone to your own devices.
I'm at 1 HP. Oh crap. Oh.
This is fun. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Oh,
What happens if I just...
who needs a chessboard? You know, it's just a waste of space. Oh,
I just parried that. No, no.
oh, that explains why.
No. I'm just using like all of my... Why does it do so much damage? You missed. How are you so durable? Oh.
I could just-
I activated my anger move, which gives me buffs.
Yo, I can just buy an alligator on The Sims. Yo, that's insane.
How did I miss? Oh, there we go.
Ouch.
Backyard observatory. Ooh.
Ow.
Oh my gosh, what are you?
Let's see. Yo, I'm still the only streamer, or still the only viewer in my thing. Yo, that's fun. I might just end the stream now because no one's watching.
I blocked that.